Hey everybody, welcome back to the Outcomes Rocket. Saul Marquez here at the HIMSS 2024 conference doing Insight podcasts. Today I have the outstanding Kevin Paroda with us. He is the Global Segment Manager at CenTrak. Welcome.
Thanks, Saul. Really good to be here.
Yeah, it's great to be with you, Kevin. First of all, just to kind of kick things up and get the listeners and viewers up to date, tell us a little bit about you and tell us about CenTrak.
Absolutely. So CenTrak is a company that provides real-time locating to hospitals. So I've been at CenTrak for about 4.5 years. My background is in engineering and product design. So I really focus on the intersection of technology and how people use it and interact with it.
Love it. And so the work you guys are doing is critical. Can you highlight maybe one or two things that health systems rely on you for?
Absolutely. So with our technology and products, CenTrak is able to provide location awareness for where everything and every person is in a healthcare facility. So when we think about improving hospital operations, understanding where all the mobile medical equipment is at any given moment can provide really good insights to help biomedical engineers and other operations specialists really make the hospital run better.
Love it. Thank you for sharing that. At the conference, we're hearing a lot of different discussions around different hot topics, AI, large language models, etc.
Yeah.
What's an insight that's risen to the top for you, and why did CenTrak decide to come to HIMSS this year?
Absolutely. So one of the things that we've been aware of lately in the market, and I think that was really driven home by our time here at HIMSS, was the need to provide staff duress assistance to hospitals. So staff duress is one of CenTrak's key solutions, something we've provided the market for a long time, but have recently made some improvements to. So the idea is that if a nurse or another staff member needs help throughout their day, maybe there's an altercation, maybe they just need someone to come and give them a hand, our products allow them to discreetly press a button on the badge that they wear and call for help to their specific location in real time. So what's new about what we're doing this year is that we're launching for the first time a product we call BLE Multimode, and BLE stands for Bluetooth Low Energy. Okay. So in our industry, Bluetooth has been a buzzword for a very long time, something that customers were excited about because it offers RTLS at a lower price point than what had historically been offered in the market. However, for the past several years, what had been out there in the market wasn't necessarily meeting customers' expectations fully. So this year, CenTrak is proud to announce what we call our Bluetooth Multimode strategy, BLE Multimode, which allows hospitals to implement Bluetooth RTLS, which has a lower price point, it's much easier to install. We use it for things like staff duress so that they can very quickly implement a solution to help their staff members out. What we do differently is we also layer on additional technology on top of Bluetooth to improve the accuracy that they can get out of that solution. So when we think about some complex use cases that we provide, staff duress is a very important one, but one that location granularity isn't quite as important for. Complex use cases like hygiene compliance monitoring, nurse call cancellation, they require additional technology. And so our multi-mode approach allows us to blend the simplicity and low cost of Bluetooth with the granularity and accuracy of some of the more complex technologies that we offer. And we do this in a way that makes it very easy and scalable for a hospital to implement what they need, where they need it in their enterprise, and really across the entire enterprise to get full enterprise location visibility.
That's great. Well, congratulations on the launch of the new product, and you're wearing it.
I am, yes. So this is our new Bluetooth Multimode staff badge. So I'll show off a few things real quick if you don't mind.
A little closer?
Yeah, sure. We'll go in to show this guy off. So this is our new staff badge product. It's got a few exciting features. It's got some buttons on the back here that are designed for staff duress specifically. So one of the things we've heard in the market is that if a duress alarm is triggered accidentally, it can really lower the value of that solution, right? If you're crying wolf, it's not going to make the solution work. So these are designed so that they won't get pressed when you're just wearing it in your day job, only if you really intentionally press the button. Another thing with RTLS that customers have given us a lot of feedback on over the years is about maintaining the batteries that are in these devices. So one of the things that we can do now for the first time is actually show the battery life of the device right on there. So you see we light up with 4 lights here across the top, showing 4 out of 4 battery, just like you do on a rechargeable battery pack that you'd use to charge your phone. Awesome. So really excited about these new features, excited to bring this to market. Got a lot of great feedback on it from hospitals throughout the conference. So we'll be launching it this coming month, so it'll be available very soon.
Fantastic. Thank you for that, Kevin. Appreciate the demonstration. And for anybody watching and listening to us today, what is the best place for them to get in touch, and what call to action would you ask them to think about?
Absolutely. So our website has a lot of great tools for getting in touch with our team. I direct people there. It's CenTrak.com, so that's CENTRAK. And the call to action is really that, staff duress, like I was talking about, is really becoming a huge thing in healthcare. And I think every hospital knows it. And if they haven't had an incident, unfortunately, it's becoming very likely that an incident will occur. So I would encourage every hospital leader to reach out to us, have a conversation with us about how we can help your staff stay safe, because we'd love to get in there and make sure we're doing everything we can to keep our workers at their best. So.
Kevin, thank you. And for everybody listening, you guys know we did a 7-part series around workplace violence. And it's a very real thing. It's happening in our hospitals across the U.S., and it's great to hear that tools like Kevin showed us today are providing leadership, but also the providers on the floor options to ensure their safety. Kevin, appreciate you jumping on the podcast with us.
Absolutely.
Looking forward to staying in touch.
Thank you so much. Great to be here.
Yeah.